here in International, our principal, Mr. Pali Professor, Senior Games Master, Mr. Subhadra, staff advisors, Mr. Shira Devashankar, Mr. Das, and all those present here. Drama, ladies and gentlemen, is something that's still an influence in this country. Projects such as Drama lay the foundation and encourage our talented youth to show their talents on stage. I know from first-hand experiences that it's not as easy as it may seem. Being on stage with hundreds of people staring right back at you, some being great admirers of the art, waiting in anticipation as you take the stage, just hoping to see something magical. Some, on the other hand, waiting in anticipation to see their friends come on stage, supporting them wholeheartedly, screaming his or her name, while secretly hoping that you make some mistake. And how can we forget our parents, who are always the first to get tickets, and the best seats, mind you, they're with their right in front of you supporting throughout. This is what drama means to most people who take part actively. Doing their best, hoping that they'll be on some sort of society magazine. All this, ladies and gentlemen, is what makes drama all that it is. The glitz, the glamour, who's the best dressed, all this is our mini red carpet. This is why we, the instructor of Royal College, is proud to be the initiators of such a program. This year, ladies and gentlemen, when my co-chair and I were given the task of organizing this spectacle, our first reaction was pretty animated. Yes, we were thrilled. With 2.5 months to go, we wanted to make this the best project ever. But then, due to many delays, we started working with just over 3 weeks to go. The look on both my co-chair and my faces was pretty straightforward. I asked him, how do we pull this off? He was pretty confident, and most of my committee members were pretty confident. And that's because we had a fantastic committee. Each and every member was just as scared and at the same time eager to make this an event to remember. 3 hectic weeks with temples, landing and pressure mounting. We had to overcome all obstacles and barriers to make this a project that people will never forget. The schools were ready and under pressure to perform to an audience which was sold out. And the participants, ladies and gentlemen, were fantastic, and I'd like to take this moment to thank all the schools that took part in this project. Ladies College, Bishop's College, St. Peter's College, Anurag Vidyalaya, and Museums College, who put up with us and all the obstacles that go through. And Mevan, to Disha, to Lakta, to Yasas, to everyone who helped us, and I hope Dramcom next year will be just